I did a video last year talking about content creation and how we make money making videos. And of course, a year later, it's we make more money. But I didn't reveal how much money, and a few people had asked. And I wanted to make sure this wasn't true. Apparently, it was just a myth. I heard you weren't allowed to talk about how much money YouTube paid you. I watched a lot of other YouTubers' videos that now have revealed the amount of money, and they seem to have no ill consequences from it. Well, other than people being shocked about how much money they make. You may not be shocked, or maybe you will, about the amount of money I make. It's not as much as I'd like. It's not as much as some of the other big YouTube stars, but it will show that there is a plan to making money on YouTube. Now, first, if you could take 1 second and click the like buttons. I'm posting this in YouTube, and this is going to be on Facebook, so wherever that like button is on either one of those platforms, that does help our algorithm-driven life to let other people know they may be interested in learning about this as well. So, we're going to get to the revenue in just a second. Don't worry, it's not clickbait. I'm going to show you all the screenshots here of how much I directly make from YouTube and talk about that. But I also want to say there's two different ways we make money. Well, there's a couple different ways, but we're going to show the revenue from YouTube, show the revenue from Amazon affiliate. Those are the two big ones that are like recurring revenue. But we do get a lot of inbound leads from this, so that's part of our sales process. I'll probably do another video on that of how we get inbound leads, but essentially we give everything away. We dump videos out there that are deep, in-depth tutorials that people go, hey, this is cool, here's a good tutorial on this, but they still watch the tutorial and end up hiring us, which a lot of people seems to think is a counterintuitive thing, that if you told someone how to do it, they still wouldn't hire you to do it. That's completely not true. By having all these videos, over 800 of them on my YouTube channel, many of them being tutorials and showcasing exactly how to do something, or talking about a project and the methodologies that we did to do it, that brings us a lot of inbound leads. That is still the majority and is bigger than any of the revenue numbers here. Like I said, I'll probably do a separate video on that. And it's like the projects and the bookings, and my whole flow for that is it's kind of in depth and goes beyond the scope of this. All right, now the reveal. We're going to press this little button and switch right over to the screen. So for the last 28 days, I have made $2,568 in estimated ad revenue. It's always estimated. Now, the first thing is, there's no clear answer to how much I make per video. And the reason why is because the video ad rates change dramatically with where the video is viewed and the type of video it is. So if the video is deemed monetizable by YouTube, as in friendly for advertisers, that is what drives YouTube, is someone has to pay for all the bandwidth it takes to have people viewing my videos. So if they deem it worthy and content non-controversial, this is always the big debate with YouTube of their censoring things. No, they need to pay the bills, and they're going to be driven by their advertisers and what the advertisers want or don't want their ads showing up on. So the ad buy rate will vary greatly. It turns out if you do videos talking about finance, the ad buy rate is high. I think toy videos do okay. There's always varies, and it comes down to who's advertising. I know we see different rates go up and down based on each individual video we do. And of course, that's going to drive what the advertisers are buying at the moment. So not really easy to tell you exactly how much per video. But cumulatively, right now, I am making this every 30 days, about $2,500 from YouTube. Now let's look at what I did for all of 2018. So we go over here, 2018, and I made $15,000 in total. But if you added 12 times 25, isn't that a different number? Yeah, it is. And let's break that down. At the number of videos I had towards the end of 18, this is cumulatively what occurred in revenue. And by the way, the monthly number that you see is $2,500 right now, but it was only about $1,000 for this month last year. The difference is more videos, and it's cumulatively. As long as the videos are still relevant and people are still viewing them and people are getting value from them and watching them, those videos continue to make money. The videos that people just don't watch anymore because they're old, they're a news article from 2 years ago and there's no interest in it, those fall off and quit making revenue because they no longer have any views. So it's always a cumulative of videos that are kind of rolling forward, as long as they're relevant, of still making money. And because there's more videos overall on the platform that I've uploaded, and especially this year, quite a few of them, now this year so far in 2019, I've made $16,356. So that's a cumulative of what's going on right now. And if I look at a monthly snapshot come December and November of either year, those particular months are where the majority of the money spikes up, because the ad buy rates are higher because it's shopping season. Now, moving over to Amazon. This is the other primary source of income right here. And this is my last year how much we received in Amazon. Now, these are affiliate links. I'm not doing drop ship. I'm not doing anything special. You're just clicking an affiliate link below. We have them labeled as such on our YouTube channel. And what happens is if I review a product, whatever that might be, I say, hey, here's a handy dandy tool and you'd like to buy it, we all have an affiliate link and we get a very small percentage. And I say very small, and you can see the rates here. Shipped revenue of $486,823. That means there was that much ordered through my Amazon affiliate links. Half, what is that? $500,000? Yeah, about $500,000 almost in revenue. And my earnings off of $500,000 in revenue was $19,000. But it required me to do nothing but show the link. I did not have to ship it, package it, deal with returns or anything. Amazon's taking care of the whole process. There's a lot more money made, of course, if you do direct sales. There's better margins, et cetera, et cetera. We're focusing on this. That way I can just do the video with our goal being an inbound lead or just sharing information, or the inbound lead that comes in, it brings revenue to our company through following up with that and processing either a consulting job or some type of contract work we get. That's still the bigger goal because that pays so much more, but this is kind of that steady revenue that comes across. And I just want to be very public about it. When I say help the channel by clicking the link below, I mean help the channel by clicking the link below. It's as much as I like the inbound leads for all that, it's kind of this big mix of you're trying to optimize everything. And I think people should be honest. I mean, it takes a lot of time to make over 800 videos, process them, learn the skills, put it together. And a lot of the videos, I know I'm not going to get a ton of revenue because I like sharing some of the business stuff, and I don't have anything to really offer other than just wanting to see the community better. But those things help me produce those videos. You clicking those links, you putting all time. And it doesn't cost you anything to click these links. You're not paying a higher rate from Amazon. Amazon's being told that you bought something referred by me, so I get this. So it's really simple. Now, this is what I did, and so far this year. This is last year, 2018, and this year is a little bit more as the channel's gotten bigger. So my revenues thus far, as of August 21st, 2019, are $13,000. So last year we made in total $19,000. So far in August, we've already hit $13,000. And I just like to be very public about how my business works, how we do the videos, and where all this money comes from, so to speak, when someone asks, so is it you actually make money with YouTube? Yeah, it's accumulation of things, and I think it's a very fair trade for me to put together all this stuff. I mean, I would like to make more, and some people make a whole lot more, especially some of the financial videos. Wow, some of those people make a lot just based on the ad revenue from the videos, or some of the affiliate stuff, or if you have a cool product. YouTube is a really interesting platform for this. I encourage a lot of people to get involved in it, but I want to be very clear when people say, well, you just want us to watch your videos to make money. Well, there's some of that, yeah. I like people watching my videos because I like when they enjoy them. It's a labor of love, but it's also a way to make money and enjoy what I do as a creator. I love to produce all this and put the time and put the content on there. And for those of you that may have seen my shirt, it says working with shippers all day, make sure crimp hand strong. We sell silly shirts on Teespring. That's another revenue generator. We sometimes get links for companies that give us like affiliate links like Tech Supply Direct and things like that. None of that is added up near to what Amazon has. Sometimes the t-shirt revenue, and by the way, I use Teespring because they're integrated right into YouTube, so I'm not actually processing orders and shirts. That would be very difficult, but that means I make the lowest amount of money, so I'm only I've had good months where I made like a few $100s from shirt sales, but they're being shipped to people, automated ordering. I just see the orders come through, and it's a few dollars a shirt, literally just like, I think it's like a couple dollars a shirt. It's not much. It's not a lot of revenue. But they're niceties to help out. People get a cool shirt. We get paid for the time it took us to, draw whatever design or think up whatever silliness that we want to put on there. It's all these little cumulative revenue things. And I probably have to put a spreadsheet together to try and summarize all those. And we're always working on new pitches. The Tech Supply Direct one is the most recent one, where we get a small couple percent and you get 10% off discount by using our affiliate codes. And we have VPN sales, and those don't add up to much either. That's a quantity thing too. Enough people have to sign up for an account to make just a couple dollars. And we have a whole affiliates page that you can see. And like I said, we're very honest about any of the things we do because I like to operate my business with transparency. I like to operate my YouTube channel and social media creation stuff with transparency. As of right now, I'm going to upload this to Facebook, which means I'm not going to get paid at all because Facebook's system is not ready yet for such things. They have some beta pilots where they're trying to pay creators. I don't think any of it works well. Matter of fact, Facebook may insert an ad. And by the way, I don't get any money for Facebook inserted ads as of right now. Yeah, I don't know if they're ever going to catch up with the way YouTube does it, but YouTube's the preferred platform because of that. But that's it. I just wanted to let people know, for those of you going, who I wonder how much he makes, that's how much I make. This was the screenshots directly from, I don't think I need to go as far as to prove that I didn't doctor these screens in some way, but I'm not going to bother doing that. And for those of you who think I make 10 times as much, I don't. That's exactly how much I make from these videos. And if you're interested in talking about the process, keep an eye on my YouTube channel. We've dive into a lot of different topics, but we'll be covering a whole inbound lead process we get from YouTube and how we put that together using You Can Book Me and Google Sheets for inbound leads to process them. It's not anything that's secret. I just haven't taken the time to put it together yet, but it's absolutely, those are the entirety list of tools I use to manage inbound leads and book them, and Stripe to actually take the payments. So that's, there's my other secret. There are no secrets. And if you want to get started in any of this, I have some videos like how we built the studio. I have videos on some of my workflow. Follow along on my channel. There's a lot of stuff that I give it all away, man. I'm not shy about telling anyone. I've had several people stop by my studio, check it out, because they want to know how we do it. I'm an open book if you want to know any of this stuff. And it doesn't cost as much as you think to do some of the tutorial stuff. A microphone and a camera are not that expensive. Maybe I'll do some budget stuff. I have a high budget one where like this entire studio, but I'll probably do a low budget one as well to kind of break down like your basic to get started in this. It's not that difficult. Everything, the challenge is all in the ideas and a little bit of skill in editing. Got to have the idea first. Ideas are easy. Ideas are cheap. Everyone's got them, but then you got to execute those ideas. That's where have a story, execute the ideas, put a plan together. That's really the hard part, buying this gear and all that. That's actually the pretty easy part. It's not super expensive. I'll leave links to all this. If it's on YouTube and on Facebook, I'll just leave a link back to the YouTube channel. Thanks. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to this channel to see more content, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, and maybe YouTube will send you a notice when we post. If you want to hire us for a project that you've seen or discussed in this video, head over to lawrencesystems.com, where we offer both business IT services and consulting services and are excited to help you with whatever project you want to throw at us. Also, if you want to carry on the discussion further, head over to forums.lawrencesystems.com, where we can keep the conversation going. And if you want to help the channel out in other ways, we offer affiliate links below, which offer discounts for you and a small cut for us. That does help fund this channel. And once again, thanks again for watching this video, and see you on next time.